guys. This is the once of. You never get to see this happening. A few people queued up here, up the back there. The lifesavers, some boys there. Justin and Captain Steele there with their surfboards ready to go. And here she comes. Breakthrough. Terrigal Ponds. This will slowly fill up and break out through to the ocean. Awesome. Now, right down there near the bridge there, they've got these little signals or something that send them a message when there's too much water in here, because the houses downstream seem to get too close to the river, so they have to break it open if it's in that situation. So the alarm's gone off, there's too much water in here. So they brought the digger down and she's going through. Here's the boys. There's Juzzy and Steele. They're all ready for a dip. They're all ready for a surf. Smashing through. Just smashing through. This is an awesome sight. Now every year I miss this, and I just happened to get it this year. Awesome. The money pot. The boys are yelling out the money pot. Subscribe to the money pot. Now this will slowly release into here, and I think he's going to go break it open up the top there now. I'm not too sure, or maybe that'll just go through. The kids will probably start breaking a little hole open in it. But either way, they're ready to go surfing. They are ready to go surfing. I'll keep the video going until I'm almost out of batteries. It's almost flat, but let's see when she breaks through to the other side. So we'll get through to the other side. I better take my scoop with me just in case the edge starts breaking in and I'll lose my scoop. So we'll work our way down here, guys. Bear with me. The camera will be wobbling, but I'm carrying all my gear, so what are you going to do? Got the lifeguards here ready for if any clowns end up in the drink. I've got a jet ski out there just in case anyone ends out in the ocean. There's our friendly Terrigal lifesavers here waiting to help. And the boys are ready. Boys are ready. Steele, you're awesome. And it's through. Boys can't get here while the digger's here, but they might be able to get a little bit of a surf out. Oh, she's blowing through now. Get ready. That's just humping through now. Go boys, before it runs out. Hurry up. These kids still should be at school today too. Look at them. Their last day of school and they didn't make it. Yeah. Juzzy's going off.
Why don't you give me a go? Oh!
So what that council bloke now is explaining, you can get stuck in that bit of bouncy thing in there, just like big rivers, and you get pulled underneath and get stuck underneath there. So he's just telling the boys to be careful.